Myra. I'm working from Big Pigs as a sales agent of Silhouette. We sell Silhouette in Manila area. They have clients who are jerseys users. They use for that one in school, the uniforms. They use Silhouette for the logos. They are attracted to Silhouette machine because Silhouette has a different types that they can do. Sample, they can do cards, they can design it for them. They also like Silhouette because we support them. After sales support is very important to them. We always be friendly for them so that they can approach us anything that they have problems. Some is beginner, some are pro, but we have dealers. Then the dealers, if they have problems, we support them. We train their people, their technical, their artists, so that they're the one who gonna train their clients. They always say that it's easier to use because there's the tutorial already on YouTube. They see the outputs and then they like to make that one. So they are very excited to buy the products. If we compare Silhouette to other cutters, Silhouette can cut smaller than the other cutters. Even if we gonna have the circle one, then the Silhouette can cut it precisely. Silhouette is good for small businesses. They can put in anywhere, sample party. They can just bring the Silhouette compared to other that is heavy. It's very convenient for them to use it. One of our dealers, they are selling the Silhouette. Then they are also having the services. T-shirt printers, stickers for cars, party hat. They make that invitations for the party. The end user, those they also make the T-shirt, but bulk order. Their clients are the big companies. They can make anything that they want. I would like to recommend Silhouette because it's easy to use, friendly. The Silhouette products here in Philippines has a very great potentials. Silhouette is the first base for the businesses.